Once you've found a book, article, or video, you'll want to make sure you can easily get back to it. The URLs in the address bar of JJC Library Resources are not necessarily stable, so copying and pasting it somewhere does not guarantee you'll be able to get back to it. Luckily, the Discovery tool has built-in features to ensure you can get back to your resources. The first two options are found in the Tools section. The permalink option provides you with a stable URL that will ensure you can get back to the resource you're looking at. Just copy and paste it into a document that you save for later access. The email option allows you to send an email with a link back to the item to yourself or any other JJC students, faculty, or staff that you may need to share your findings with. You can also add a personal note to the email, like the class it's for or why you like the resource. The final option for saving the resources you find is to use the pushpin icon at the top of the page to add the item to your list of favorites. You'll want to make sure you've logged in before using this option. Once you've sent the item to your favorites, you can click the pushpin next to your name to get to your saved items. You can add labels like course assignments or names, or even labels for your personal use to help you organize your list and find items you've saved easily. If you need help saving anything you find in the Discovery tool, please contact the JJC Library.